Hello, classmates and team members and Brother Parson, whoever else is watching this video. This is a update on our project, our survey project for CIT 380. Let me go ahead and share my screen here. This will be our gate check for this week. Some of the things that I'll be covering. Will be the sculpt results, our work breakdown sheet, some examples of the survey that we've put together, our cost results and the variance, the quality results, or the change in quality due to some of the changes that we've made throughout the project, the risk and the changes there, and then some of the resources. First of all, our work breakdown structure. Level 1 is where we create the actual survey, came up with the questions and decided what it was that we wanted to focus on. And then in level 2 is where we actually distribute the survey and have people give us their feedback. We collect that data. The data is then analyzed. And then in level 3, we produce the data reports and present that data and the analysis to the stakeholders, and the decision is made, and then we get the results of the project. We decided to go with SurveyMonkey for the first iteration of our survey. It is a free utility, and it's one that I've used in the past for church purposes, and I felt that it would be good for this particular project. Little did we know until after we had started getting into the survey, there is a limitation to this software. For the free version, you can only have 10 questions. And of course, we need more than that to collect the data that we need. So we're in a situation where we need to decide whether we need to make additional surveys to obtain the questions and the data that we need, or if we need to go with a different software option, or if we need to purchase a license for SurveyMonkey to get some of the professional grade options there. The cost results, the cost was originally determined to be 155 hours, and because of the changes that we found in the software, that may need to be increased. Originally we were scoping this project for no out-of-pocket costs, but like I mentioned, we may need to purchase software at this point to get the results that we need for this project to be a success. Again, software, we originally scoped the project for the software to be free that we were going to use for this project, and those plans have changed. And then last, the time and cost variance have been added to the Gantt sheet, and we are working on technical issues to be able to display them correctly. But you can see each one of the time options has a red bar now because of the push out, because of the software change. The quality, originally quality was determined by the boardroom members after reviewing the data. That's still the case. Once we collect the data and turn it over to the board members and the stakeholders, they will determine the overall quality of the project. However, it may be affected by the current survey limitations and what we end up going with for the software in the end. Quality is measured with goals, areas, and metric calculations. Those are all in our Gantt sheet as well. The risk register hasn't changed. We predicted this very well, and based on the rank, our number one risk was that we would run out of time collecting surveys. That's still our number one risk. Based on what we find and what software we end up going with, could push the project out past the due dates or cause the project to fail ultimately. Again, these same changes have affected our Gantt chart and the times for the different deliverables. Our critical path and our workflow and our critical path haven't changed. And here are some of the resources that we have listed. Overall, we feel like our project is still able to be accomplished within the time frame that we've set, and we'll be able to meet the all of the requirements for it at this point. Thanks for watching.